lying. That's why I wanted to park my car at my house. Now I have a warrant because this teacher over at Sunset lied on me and said that I assaulted her. She tried to charge me with battery. It never happened. So I have a warrant, but I have children. My husband works 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off. So I have to accommodate to what it is, okay? I apologize. I wasn't running from you. I know what the situation is. I have no other option. You guys have to take me to jail. I have 2 kids at Monterey. Like I said, he's 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off, and I have no one to watch him. I have nobody here, and I didn't do this. I am 100% innocent. I didn't do this, sir. I did not do what she's saying I did, and I've had a warrant since December, and I have no other options. I have children. I have 5 of them. I just dropped them off at school, like you've seen. I'm on the phone with my husband. I called him. That's who I was talking to. He's going to go pick up the kids. My high schooler's going to stay home so that he can watch the kids tonight because I have to deal with this. But it's time. It's time.
Well, the reason why you were stopped, the reason why I was trying to stop you, because there's no left turns in that eastbound traffic lane.
Oh, I didn't know that. I turn there every day. Yeah, I turn there every day. I didn't know that. I'm so sorry. To deal with the situation, what it is, and like I said, I didn't do that, sir. I didn't do what she said. But
well, I don't know. Yeah. I'm trying to take care of what I'm trying to take care of right now. I'm not real sure where we're at.
Hello.
We're on Thomas.
Yeah.
124 Carlsbad.
Where's the kids at?
24. 909.
Okay, come on out here for me and stand in front of my vehicle, please. Ma'am, go stand in front of my vehicle.
it's my purse.
Okay.
He's gonna be a.
Don't.
Hands off me! I'm not resisting.
You are. Put your hands behind your back.
Babe.
Put your
I'm not
hands
resisting.
behind your
I am
back.
not
If
resisting.
you're not following my instructions, you're
I'm not
resisting.
resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
Babe, I need you to call. I need you to call dispatch, Sergeant Sergeant now. This guy's a guy. Come on, please.
Just
Dude.
relax.
Stop.
I am
Please.
not resisting. Stop
Ma'am,
your shit.
Please.
Your shit.
Yeah, stop your shit. I'm not resisting. I told you what was going on, right?
We understand
I
that,
told
okay?
And
you.
you're being arrested for fleeing and your warrant.
No, I'm not. I didn't flee anything. I brought my vehicle back to the
Ma'am,
house.
release.
You're hurting me.
Because you're...
Just
Hey,
relax,
call dispatch.
please.
Call 911.
Ma'am, stop.
Babe, call
Relax.
911.
Relax.
Relax.
I didn't flee from you. I told you I was with you the whole time. I have a witness right there. I didn't flee. I was putting my car back at the house. I was putting my car back at the house because I knew what was going on.
Which is that.
And I have nobody
You did
here.
not know what was going on.
Yeah. Okay.
If you'd have
And
shot,
I had my hand out the window the whole time. I wasn't going to
it
leave.
doesn't
It
matter.
doesn't matter.
Whatever, I'll beat this. This is stupid.
As soon as you were lit up by a police officer, you were fired.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
No,
you
I
are.
have no other option. I had a child in the car. I'm not staying
You know,
so you guys
it
can.
could have been
I'm not
taken
staying
care of a
somebody.
whole
I
lot
have
different.
$7,000 in my vehicle. I'm not gonna leave it over there. God damn, man. I'm not gonna leave my
Relax.
vehicle on the side of the road with fucking cash inside of it.
And we can always make arrangements for everything else, too.
No, I already dealt
Just
with
hey.
you at my daughter's school. You're a liar.
Just
You're
relax.
yeah. Oh, my daughter tried to poison a teacher. You're an idiot.
That wasn't me.
Uh huh.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just try to relax.
Yeah.
We'll try to get this done. There was no reason for any of
No,
this.
there wasn't, but there was. I can take my purse inside. I'm allowed to take my stuff inside my house.
Not
I
when
wasn't
you're
going
in
anywhere,
custody.
and this guy wants to sit here and act like I hate Carlsbad police officers. I want
That's
out
fine.
of here.
That's fine.
You guys are just so egotistical. Oh,
No.
gross. They're gross. I didn't flee from anybody.
King 149 Carl, 1015.
10, 4, 10, 15, 08, 19.
flee from an officer. No, I didn't. I parked my vehicle at my house right down the street, so it wasn't parked in the middle of the
You're
road.
required by law to stop
It's only a
immediately.
one-way street. What was I supposed to do? Park in the middle of the road?
Yep.
No.
You were
No.
supposed- Now,
Yes, sir.
if you would have just pulled off over to the road,
Yeah.
you probably could have worked something out,
Yeah.
okay?
But that's the
But
thing.
technically, once I light you up,
Yeah, I
you're
understand
under
that.
arrest.
No, that's
Yes.
not true.
Yes,
Not
it
once
is.
you light me up, I'm under arrest.
Yes.
Once you light me up, I'm under suspicion to be whatever. Not I'm
Well,
under arrest because you
you
can't
know-
just arrest
you
me
know
for
what a
something.
citation is?
Detained.
No,
It's in lieu of an arrest.
no. When you light me up, I am not under arrest. I know the law. It's not an arrest when you light me up.
Mm-hmm.
No,
You are detained
No.
from that point on.
no, I'm not.
Yes, you
God. Listen to yourself.
Whenever you receive a citation,
So you
when
can just
sign it,
detain me for light me up and detain me
If
for
you
nothing?
could- no, nothing.
So for making a left-hand turn, you can detain me?
Yes.
No, you can't. Oh my
A traffic
God, that is
stop
not
is-
illegal to make a left-hand turn. I get a ticket. I don't get detained for a left-hand turn.
What do you think
You
that-
are. See, that's what I'm
What
talking
do-
about. That's why I didn't want to deal with you because when you knocked on my door, you started right away. I'm
didn't.
used to people like you. Okay?
Okay.
God. You cannot arrest me for a left-hand turn. That is not illegal. I was not detained when he lit me up for a left-hand turn. No. No. No, that's why we have so many problems with police officers because you're.
No, it's your misunderstanding.
No,
of the law.
that's your misunderstanding.
No.
When you light me up, I'm not detained. This is all being recorded.
Yes,
so
ma'am, it is.
I can show the judge that that's stupid. I'm not detained. And I was just bringing my son and my vehicle home because I knew what you guys were going to do. I tried to dispute this whole thing, and you guys didn't listen in the first place. So I knew what you were going to do. So that's why I wanted to bring my vehicle home. And like I said, I had $7,000 in my vehicle that I wanted to take home. And I wasn't going to leave it on the side of the road, okay? You wouldn't even let me take my purse inside from my driveway to my doorway.
Once I confirm the warrant,
Okay, whatever.
Therefore,
I told you
you will
about
be
the
taken-
warrant. There wasn't confirmed the warrant. I told
No,
you about the warrant.
you're not-
I went inside. I changed my tampon. Came back outside to get my purse so I could take that inside. I called my husband because I have children at the school. See, you're just unreasonable. That's why people don't like you guys. Damn, man. Sorry, sir.
I'm not going to explain that to you because
Yeah,
you
go
won't
away.
listen.
Go away, please.
You don't have that option.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I have to deal with it.
We're code for. I just need a transport unit.
I didn't, when you get lit up, you're not detained. I know I shouldn't have drove down the street, but I lived right down the street. My children are my first option. So I had to get him home and... Yeah, I know, but from past experience, you guys don't listen to me. I didn't do what I'm being arrested for. I didn't do this. But you guys didn't listen to me either. I was on dispatch trying to get away from the situation, and you guys did not listen to me. So I have done nothing but had bad experience, not with you, but bad experiences with people like him behind me. That's not it's ridiculous the way you think. You don't want to hear anything I have to say. I shouldn't even be in this situation. And you know what? It's all I didn't go through all that over there. I wouldn't have ran from you. I wouldn't have ran from you.
Okay, what you should have done is stop and talk to him.
Yeah, I know.
Okay?
But I just wouldn't have gotten him in the vehicle and all that home. It wasn't intentional. I wasn't intentionally trying to run. I was looking out for my stuff, my children. I was right down the street. I wasn't going anywhere, and I'm not that kind of person. I didn't do this.
I don't know whether you
Yeah,
did.
I
I don't
know.
know whether you didn't. All I was trying to do was let you know what the law was when it's posted no left turn.
Yes, sir. And
Like
I
I
didn't
do
know that. I
almost
turn there
every morning.
every day. I turn there every day. And if you were there yesterday or all last week, you would have seen that I turn there.
A lot of times I can't sit there because I have practice I have to do every morning,
Yeah.
and I get there as soon as I can.
Yes, sir. I understand that too. But I see, I promise you, my children will tell you I turn there all the time. So I didn't know that. So that's the future
And
reference.
that's
I
what
didn't
I
know
was
that.
trying to educate you with.
Do what?
Was that you can't.
Take off from the way?
Drove all the way home and then wanted to fight me. Wanted to put her in handcuffs.
dump her or what?
No. No. Because we were letting her wander around doing everything, but when it was time to do stuff, she said she had more stuff to do and didn't want to go into handcuffs.
Who's this kid right here? Your son?
That's her son. So.
I just wanted to get the baby home. That's it.
I was standing right here. I've been standing here listening to you the whole time. I've been trying to deal with you the whole morning. So you're going to have to deal with, unfortunately, yes, it should have been taken care of a long time.
I don't have money for a lawyer, and that's why I haven't taken care of it, because I can't go in court without a lawyer, because this is just a made-up situation, a complete made-up situation.
Well, you should have explained all that to the judge.
Months ago, I understand that, but I have 5 children that I have to deal with. I'm trying to get out of Carlsbad itself because of the situation. It's been nothing but a mental mind fuck for me. And I know I should have taken care of this. I don't have money for a lawyer, and I cannot go into a court. Made the situation, but he ain't got time for this. Can we just keep going?
You go there? Hey, Victoria. Call me over here. For you? How old is son?
Yeah, I booked her on fleeing, resisting.
Are we going to fight, or are we going to do the citation under the plea?
Yeah, I can do the citation right there. Just put it as booked, and I'll charge her for it. I'll book her on it. Just email it to me. Yeah.
You're going to be okay with him? You'll be good with him, right? He was here, right?
Yeah, he's gonna go get the 2, and my other 2 are in behind.
I'm going to give this stuff to your son that's standing at the door.
Sounds like
Correct.
a plan. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Can you give him these keys also?
Yeah.
Go over inside like you have to.
So I'm going to charge her for fleeing, resisting, and then the violation. So she turned left onto Blodgett, coming out of the one-way.
Yeah, but you can't enforce that one way there.
Well, which one were you giving a citation for the fleeing?
Where we at? Where we left turn right on 6th Street. There's a place with no left turn.
Left turn into the parking lot?
Into the parking lot.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, and she burned out right there at the stop sign. That's what I was looking at.
Well, I didn't know what was going on.
Yeah, well.